let's take about 15 minutes and knock out some folding. I'm sure you've got some folding to do. This, all told, was about 30 pounds of kids' clothes. I think it was 2 or 3 different kids, judging by the sizes. And so it's just easier on me if I go through the order and do all the pants at once and do all the shirts at once. And I try and sort them by size, if at all possible, just to help the parent out to put them away later. But I give it a good try. So you've probably noticed the board that I'm using. It is not strictly necessary, and I don't think anybody else at the laundry uses it, but it helps with kids' shirts to be consistent, and I do have larger ones for adults. The only reason I have one for kids is because I found it for $3 at the thrift store, and I couldn't help it, and it entertained me quite much to use it. So I'm there for 8 hours at a time. I gotta find something to entertain me. So I searched and messed and turned and twisted trying to figure out what shirt this is. What size is this? So I can figure out what pile to put it in. I made my best guess. They put tags everywhere, I swear. So these shirts are more adult size, so I swapped the board out. I do have adult size flip board, but this one is just as easy. And if I don't have before I bought the flip board for the kids, I actually would sometimes use a small magazine. And again, it's just all about trying to be consistent. So I don't do this for many loads, but when it comes to kids' clothes, I'll bag them up in the smallest bags that we have that are actually for, like bathroom garbage. Because the moment you put them in a big bag, try and tie it up, they're going to fall all over the place, and you might as well not have folded them. So if anybody ever drops their clothes off for the laundry, I highly recommend you bring each kid their own bag, and that would be helpful for all concerned, but otherwise I'm happy to do this. It just helps keeps things neat. There was just as many pants as there were shirts. There just wasn't an opportunity for me to film. But I hope this helped you get your folding done. And there's going to be a playlist of folding, because I may do it for a job, but it's not my favorite chore, so it's nice to have something going on in the background. And stay tuned, because I got a little bit extra towards the end. So the whole time I was folding these, I was kind of chuckling to myself with the whole, if you like it, get it in a different color. If you like it, get it in a different color. I hope the kid liked it, because I think she had it in 5 different colors. So, I'm folding for 20 minutes. It kind of gives me something to giggle about. You all have a beautiful day. Thank you for hanging out.